Rihanna gave me a lap dance. How does one get a lap dance from Rihanna, you may be asking? Well, here's the story. I was at one of her concerts in Albuquerque, New Mexico. I had front row seat, and I was there with a friend. And we're huge Rihanna fans, so we know like all the words to her songs. So we're standing on the chairs, singing and dancing obnoxiously. And then I noticed there was like cameras in front of me, and I was on the screens. You know, they always show like the craziest person in the crowd. So I started noticing that I was all over the screen, and this is in front of tens of thousands of people. And then I noticed Rihanna's looking at me, and I'm like, there's no way Rihanna's looking at me. I'm kind of doing the thing where I'm like, you looking at me? And then that's when they pulled me on stage. I'm literally walking up there and I'm in this weird haze because I'm like, is this actually happening? And what is actually happening right now? So I go up on stage and the stage opens up and a bed starts raising from the center. Now I have this on video, except it was on an old flip phone that my brother filmed. So she grabs me, she throws me on this bed. And again, I'm in front of tens of thousands of people and I froze. I was literally like this. I probably look like a deer in headlights, frozen and scared. She was probably looking at me like, why does she look like that? This was back when she had fuchsia hair and she's like dancing on top of me and she was like rubbing all over me. And I was like, is this happening right now? And I could hear the crowd screaming. And before I knew it, he was all over and I'm back in my chair again going, did Rihanna just give me a lap dance? And all I have is a crappy cell phone footage to prove it.